We got some Detroit Ammo Co. 220 grain 7.62 by 39 Subsonics we're going to test out today. First 3 super, then subs for 3, super, subs. Now these will be subs. Supers. Subs. This time we're not going to shoot the steel because we noticed that steel was the loudest part of the last video. We're going to shoot the backstop instead. Subs. Much quieter. Supers. Subs. This time we've just got one of each, and we're going to give it a few seconds between each shot so we can let the echo die down and you can actually hear the sound difference between the two. Okay, that was super. Here's sub. Little to no echo on the sub. That's awesome. We loaded up the remainder of the box and we're going to run it to see if it's reliable. "100% reliability with this ammo." It's a good start. So far we are very impressed with the Detroit Ammo Co. 220 grain Subsonic 7.62 by 39. So go over and check them out on Instagram and Facebook.